Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about something really unique and different than before because this method is working really great for people who have no skills, better than people who do have skills. And I know that right now you're looking at a website called Fiverr and you're wondering, man, making money on Fiverr requires skills. People will pay you if you have skills. So how is it possible to make more money if you don't have skills? So stay tuned, we're going to reveal this and how to write your gig and how to be in the top places of every category and how to sell many times with a high price on Fiverr. So let's take a look at this. Okay, you can choose one of these categories, doesn't really matter. It can be graphics, digital marketing, writing, video. Okay, really doesn't matter. When I first started, I started with videos, so this is the one I'm going to show right now. You can choose between logo animation, intro, video editing, spoken videos, and oh my god, short video ads. And let's choose short video ads. If you scroll down right here, you can see this many gigs, many gigs. If you don't know what are gigs, gigs are all these that you see right here made by the sellers. You're gonna have one like this and you're gonna sell it on high price. Yes, you've heard it right, high price. Okay, like 90, 100, 120, 200. Okay, the higher the price, the better chances you'll have to sell. Okay, so first let's sort it by best selling. You'll notice something really different than platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, because here you can see that this guy with the 25 is selling better than this guy with the 5 and 5 and 5. Although he's not the one with the highest number of rating, because take a look at this, he has 150 and this guy has 1000. This guy is even before him. This guy has only 36. If you scroll down right here, okay, 100, okay, 180, okay, the rating number doesn't matter. The same thing will apply to you. It won't matter even if you have 2 ratings or even 0. Okay, this method works differently in Fiverr. Okay, there is a trick to that. Stay to the end and I'll reveal all the steps. Every step is really critical. Make sure you don't miss any of these to have the maximum results possible. So let's take a look how this method is working. You're going to have a price higher even than this guy, like 100. Now, you don't have any skills, so if someone orders from you, what you're gonna do? It's simple. You'll go to this guy who has $5 and order from him the same order that people order from you. When you'll get the order done, you'll deliver the order to your people in $100 by paying $5. Just simple. You don't have to invest any money because you want to buy from this guy or this guy or this guy if no one has ordered from you, right? But I gotta tell you that most of the times you're gonna get your first orders by today, so make sure to prepare the $5 because you're gonna get $100 in return. So I know that you have a lot of questions about, hey, what I'm gonna tell them when they message me. Usually they don't message you, they do this thing. They go to your gig and they go to your gig, click on continue and buy from you. Later, Fiverr will ask them a lot of questions about what to write on the gig, what to put in their design, favorite colors, favorite design, example of designs. Okay, Fiverr will do the work for you. You don't need to type anything to them. So really rarely they're gonna message you here, but just 2 messages and that's it. Take a look at this. Compare packages. Okay, you see the prices right here, and he's the best seller. Okay, the best seller has these prices. You're gonna be one just like him. How come everyone is not doing this method? I just don't know, and I don't know why everyone on YouTube is not talking about it, because it's working. I've shown you many people are making more than 10K by doing this method, and 10K per month. So what are you gonna write in your gig? Because I bet some of you don't have any writing skills. So there is a solution even for that. Okay, this guy is the best seller, right? And the other guys are best sellers too. Okay, I'm talking about the top 4. What you're gonna do, you're gonna mix what they have written here. I remind you that what they have written here is proven to be success. You're gonna mix these 4 paragraphs and make one of your own. That way, you won't need any spatial writing skills, and most likely you're gonna have success guaranteed because they are the top 4. Okay, important notes about this method. Take a look at this. On the side, people who buy on Fiverr has delivery time, price range, online status, video type, and other things. You're gonna make sure that this $5 guy has a delivery of 24 hours. That way, most likely, many people will order from you because it's 24 hours, and it's very important for a lot of companies that the delivery time will be very low. 24 hours is the lowest, so this is what you're gonna aim for. Also, make sure to answer to the messages as quick as possible. Let's take a look at this. You see, Fiverr records. Oh my God. Fiverr records your average response time. Make sure you respond as quick as possible. People will appreciate that and message you. That way you will motivate them to message you the 2 messages that I've talked before, and you're most likely gonna get more orders that way. Okay, let's go back. Another important note, it says, oh, write your video file format. It's very, very important, okay? Service includes background music, video editing, all these things doesn't matter to you. Also, make sure to have PayPal account because Fiverr are paying via PayPal account, okay? If you'll follow what we've talked about in this video, you're most likely gonna get high results in even your first orders today, okay? It's really easy money. Quit your shitty job, okay? Enjoy financial freedom because you deserve it. Okay, click on the subscribe button if this video helped you, and comment below what category you think you're gonna start with. Okay, are you gonna start with video or are you gonna start with graphics? I'll see you tomorrow on our next video.